Breaking news coming in. There will be no rethink on the JEE and the NEET examination. Remember, there was a protest and chorus against it, but it clearly seems that the government is unfazed. They will not be postponing these examinations. Sources tell India Today, government has said no to a rethink on the NEET and JEE examination, has added as well that students do want to give examinations and that the National Testing Agency chairperson is likely to meet the Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, and that is just about to happen in a short while at about 4 p.m. Milan Sharma tracking all the latest. So Milan, what precisely is the defense of the government? Because there is a section of students who do not want these examinations in COVID times. So how is the government saying that they will be going ahead with this?
Well, the very fact that over 4 lakh admit cards have been downloaded and taken by the students, at least for the G, that is what the government is also telling us, is very clear that the students do want to give these examinations. And Pooja, if you can hear me, the government is very clear when it says that they have increased the number of centers as well for students that had expressed reservations for traveling too far. And it's doing all it can to maintain SOPs. The government's clarification is that a year will be wasted, but they do say there's a sizable section of students that also wants the exams to be done. Some of them may even be giving their last attempt when it comes to G mains. So certainly these are the clarifications that have been issued by the government. But for now, top sources have told us that at this point, there's no rethink on the examinations. They will be done, they won't be postponed, and every likely SOP that has to be followed will be followed in all the centers. The Health Ministry as well as the MHRD have worked together on these guidelines, and therefore, for now, there's no rethink and the examinations will go ahead.
All right, stay on with me because, Milan, what has happened is there is a protest happening by students. Some students want the examination to take place this year itself, but there are political reactions that have come in. There's politics clearly ensuing on this. Listen in now to what the politicians of the country have to say about the student issue.
जेईई के जो कुल छात्र थे वो 8.58 लाख छात्रों ने अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन किया था और उसमें से कल तक 7,25,000 छात्रों ने एडमिट कार्ड को डाउनलोड कर दिया। 99% बच्चों की जो प्राथमिकता थी कि मुझे ये केंद्र चाहिए, उस केंद्र को दिया गया। हम छात्र के साथ हैं, पहले उसकी सुरक्षा, उसके बाद उसकी शिक्षा।
अकॉर्डिंग टू मी आई डोंट थिंक सो कि एग्ज़ाम होना चाहिए, बिकॉज जितना डिले लगा एग्ज़ाम पे, बार बार डेट्स एक्सटेंड हुई हैं, उस हिसाब से बच्चे तैयारी भी नहीं कर पाए। एंड बिहाफ ऑफ लाइक जिस अकेडमी में मैं पढ़ता हूँ उसमें भी हमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा अब हॉलीडेज़ मिल चुकी हैं, क्योंकि अब एग्ज़ाम तो होना नहीं, अब कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा बच्चे क्या करें। और ऊपर से एग्ज़ाम होता भी है तो पता नहीं सिचुएशन कैसी है सारी।
एग्ज़ाम्स होने चाहिए बिकॉज जो ईयर्स ख़राब हो रहे हैं, स्टूडेंट्स का जो टाइम ख़राब हो रहा है वो नहीं होना चाहिए, है ना। तो एग्ज़ाम्स होने चाहिए कि स्टूडेंट्स की जो प्रिपरेशन है वो क्यों 1 साल पीछे जाए, है ना, या वो क्यों अपना टाइम ख़राब करें। उनके लिए अगर उनकी प्रिपरेशन पूरी है, उन्होंने पैसा खर्च किया स्टडीज़ पे एंड ऑल, तो एग्ज़ाम्स होने चाहिए।
एग्ज़ाम लेने का फ़ैसला गलत नहीं है, वो सही है, लेकिन एग्ज़ाम लेने के पीछे जो वजह है कि बहुत सारे बच्चों ने तैयारी कर रखी है, प्रिपरेशन कर रखी है और कई सालों का हमारा एक इंस्टीट्यूशन बिल्ड हुआ है। एक हमारा सिस्टम है कि प्रीमियर इंस्टीट्यूशन में बच्चे मेरिट पे जाते हैं। फिजिबिलिटी इस टाइम पे बड़ा सवाल है कि गवर्नमेंट के पास 2 ऑप्शन है, या तो इस एग्ज़ाम का बदल कोई और वैल्यूएशन पे ले जाएं या ऑनलाइन एग्ज़ाम करवा के फिर इसका सेफ्टी और बाकी कंसर्न भी सारे जो देखे जा सकते हैं।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.